Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 12.3 question number 1. If the cost of 7 meter of cloth is rupees 1470, find the cost of 5 meter of cloth. This is you have to find by unitary method, right? Here we are solving this problem, that is the cost of 7 meter of cloth, 7 meter of cloth, 7 meter of cloth is rupees 1470. The cost of 1 meter of cloth is rupees 1470 by 7, right? Now therefore the cost of the cost of 5 meter of cloth is rupees 1470 by 7 into 5. If we cut this with 7, that is 7 is just 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 is just 7, 0, right? That is 210 into 5, 5 0 0, 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, that is rupees 1050, right? Therefore the cost of 5 meter of cloth is rupees 1050. That is the solution of question number 1. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.